Hi, welcome back to Daydreams of Quilts on YouTube. Today I am opening this fun and exciting package that has come to me from Annie's Kit Club. And this, I believe, is the Fat Quarter Club. I'm going to find out when I open it. But it's come in this cute little bubble wrap envelope. And it says, open for happiness. So let's get some scissors and carefully open this up. Okay, let's find out what is inside. I'm going to be careful not to cut. I think it does rip, actually. Yeah, it rips. Okay. We can just rip this envelope and see what we got. Okay. We have a pack of fat quarters. 2 packs, actually. And it looks like we have a project, an Annie's project. It says, like us on Facebook at Annie's Kit Clubs. So let's open this. This says Farm Fresh. Okay, so we have a project. Creative Quilters, Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club. Oh, and it looks like it's a chicken. Well, let me see. Whoops. Okay, sorry, I just dropped it. I had to stop and pick it up. So we've got a roosting hen. Oh, it's a hen house oven set. Very fun. So let's check out these fabrics that we're going to use to make it. They're by Moda. They have a Moda ribbon. So we've got red polka dots, aqua dashes, some clamshells, and a cute gingham, and these little chickens, and strawberries. All right, so those are the fabrics on the cover here. And so this is what we're going to be making. A chicken walk mitt and a roosting hen. All right. So we're going to work through this project. And, oh, this whole thing opens up. Okay. Very fun. All right. We'll get going on this one. Now let's see what else came in the box. Oh, we got a pretty green. Looks almost like a paisley print. And a watercolor type of floral. Oh, I love this one. A little parrot amongst the roses. Here's one on the other side. And pink spots. And then 2 solids, aqua and coral pink. Let's go ahead and make this project. Okay, so I have cut out my fabric pieces according to the little pattern in the kit. And I'm going to try and make this a really snappy video so it goes by pretty quick. Okay, here's snap number 1. Okay, next we need to trace our chicken onto heat and bond. So here we go. Now I'm going to fuse the rooster or chicken pieces to my fabrics and then fuse those to the oven mitt. Here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna stitch around the edge. There we go. I just blanket stitched around the chicken shape with my sewing machine. It's just called a blanket stitch. You could also use a satin stitch or a zigzag stitch. Okay, so now I have stitched on the little beak and the legs and the hanging tab. So now we're gonna need to put it all together with batting and Insulbrite. Insulbrite is for oven mitts and things that you want to reflect heat away from. And then I have just some regular batting. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I've got his little eye on, or her little eye on. I'm using a vintage pearl button for the eye because I think it could probably stand up to some heat from the oven. And I am ready to put this all together now. And there we go, it's finished. It was tricky getting that thumb turned out, but I used a chopstick and it was all fine in the end. So I will put a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, and I would really appreciate your support if you choose to click on that link and buy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll do the next project in the next video. Happy sewing. Thank you for sewing along with me today. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. See you next time.